Swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Vice channel. This episode highlights Katie Ledecky's most recent 1500-meter freestyle, where she completely dominates and wins gold at the World Aquatics Championships. In this video, I will be showcasing Katie Ledecky's exceptional kick timing. You'll be able to witness her remarkable ability to seamlessly change gears, perfectly timing each kick for maximum efficiency and speed. Now, before getting started, be sure to show your support and stay notified by hitting the red subscribe button below. That way you will be alerted for new and exciting content weekly. So at the beginning of her race, her priority is maximum efficiency and saving energy. So she goes into a 2-beat kick. However, if you're looking at this, you may see it as a 1-beat. The reason why you may see that is because there is one dominant kick, and it happens to be her left leg and right spearing arm. As you see in this freeze frame right here, a dominant, powerful kick from her left, starting and originating from her hips, rotating onto her right side. Now, there's still connection on the other one, it's just not as pronounced. So as you see here, she still is rotating from her right hip and her left spearing arm. It's just not as dominant. She's able to extend that leg and relax and overall maintain her efficiency as she moves along. So right at the beginning, you can see it's barely any kicking. It's very compact, and it is powered from her hip, finishing off with a flick from her foot as like a whip-like kick. As she moves further along in her race, you can see there's more symmetry with her 2-beat kick, and you can see that she's equally kicking down now with her right leg and her left spearing arm. So it doesn't look as much of a 1-beat. It is still a main rotational 2-beat kick, allowing her legs to draft behind her. Very minimal movement, and it all originates from her hip and the top of her foot kicking down. And you can see here as well that she kicks down with that left dominant kick onto her right entering arm. It's not as dominant as it was before, but you can see there's much more symmetry between both legs. Now, as her legs are drafting behind her, that kick is minimal, which completely reduces drag and also saves energy. Towards her final length, she goes into a 4-beat kick, and that is 4 kicks per stroke cycle. As you see here, there's still a main rotational kick. So it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's her rotational kick embedded in that 4-beat, which helps her increase her speed now that she's able to change gears. Okay, swimmers, I hope you found this video inspiring, and if you are eager to learn on how to execute a 2 or 4-beat kick, be sure to hit the pinned comments below or go to swimvice.com to learn more. All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.